Welcome back to GoTax Online Tutorials. Are you a teacher shaping today's young minds for the future? Well, not only do you deserve to get a pat on the back for that, you also deserve to get the tax deductions you're entitled to at tax time. So, in today's video, I'll be taking you through the common tax deductions a teacher can claim and how to claim them with our GoTax etax system. Head on over to our homepage, www.gotax.com.au, and select Teachers from our Quick Start menu. From the list, select the kind of teaching job you did during the year. And here are the common tax deductions most primary school teachers can claim. Now, this is where the magic happens. Enter in your tax details so we can retrieve your tax info from the ATO. You'll need to be patient here. It can take a while to collect all of the info. We'll fast forward into the tax return now to show you how you can claim your expenses. So, based on the list you previously saw, our system has automatically selected the common tax deductions a teacher can claim for you. From here, you can customize your expense list to suit you. Simply deselect the expenses you don't want to claim and select the expenses that you do want to claim. These expenses will appear or disappear from your expense list on the left side. Double check that your expenses match and look out for these helpful icons throughout the tax return. Moving on to claiming your expenses. If you had to wear a uniform for work, click yes. If your uniforms weren't supplied by your boss, enter in how much you spent on uniforms and click continue. Now, laundry. You need to let the ATO know what kind of uniform you're wearing, so select the type of uniform and hit continue. Enter in the number of weeks you worked, how many times each week you washed your clothes, and whether you washed them separately or mixed with other clothing. Then, we'll do the math for you. If you had to complete a course that's directly related to your job and will improve your skills or lead to an increase in income within your current job, you can claim the self-ed costs as a tax deduction. So, let's start by entering in the easy study costs like course fees, textbooks, stationery, etc., then hit continue. Here is where you can add in your home office and internet expenses. If you kept a logbook for your home office and a 1-month logbook for your internet, then you can claim it. Let's first enter in the total number of hours you studied from home. For the internet usage, you need to keep a log of the study use and personal use. Total these together, then divide the study use by the total and multiply by 100 to get your study percentage. Enter in your monthly internet cost, how many months you studied and your study percentage, then we'll do the rest. Time to claim your expenses for study travel. If you're wondering why we have sections highlighted in red, well, simply put, you can't claim those kilometres. But we can use these non-tax deductible kilometres to reduce the ATO's $250 reduction. If you're a member of a union or professional membership, you can claim the fees here. Simply enter them in and hit continue. If you needed to use your phone for work calls or texts, similar to your internet use from self-education, keep a 1-month logbook to work out the work use percentage. Enter in how many months you used your phone, the work percentage, and your phone's monthly cost, and then we'll do the rest of the math for you. There are 2 ways you can claim your home office expenses: the easy way and the hard way. The hard way involves you measuring out your home to get your percentage and keeping every single receipt and invoice for your office. Tiring just thinking about it. For the easy way, you can keep a logbook of the actual hours you're in the office during the year. Just enter them here and then we'll do the rest. If you use your internet for work, as mentioned in self-education, keep a 1-month logbook, work out your work use percentage, and claim your internet expenses here. Now, this is a popular one for our teachers: stationery. If you had to buy stationery or teaching aids like stickers, stamps, etc. for your students, total up your expenses and claim them all here. If you had to purchase tools or equipment and they were under $300, you can claim an outright deduction here. If you had to purchase tools or equipment over $300, you'll need to spread the deduction over a number of years, depending on the life expectancy of the product. So, let's claim an iPad that's over $300. Click yes and hit continue. Enter in the details for the iPad here, and then we'll work out the math. Double check the summary and hit continue. If you had to spend any time outside for work, like playground duty, you can claim your sun protection as a tax deduction. Add up your expenses and enter them here. If you donated to tax deductible charities during the year, total up your donations, enter them in here and write in the charities you donated to. And finally, enter in your tax agent fees. Remember, you must keep your receipts for 5 years from the date you receive your notice of assessment. For just $10, you can upload them to our server and we'll look after them for you. Double check your expenses are all there and hit continue. Then you are finished entering your expenses into your tax return. How easy is that? Never miss a tax deduction again. Use GoTax online to get the tax deductions you're entitled to. Prices start at just $10. Visit www.gotax.com.au to start your tax return now.